Regular PDFs don't really tell you much about your readers. You usually can't see who opened the document, what pages they viewed, or what content actually caught their attention. But when you turn a PDF into a flipbook with Flowpaper, you can start collecting detailed analytics about reader engagements. So in this video, let's look at how to enable analytics in Flowpaper and what kind of data you can collect from your publications. First, open Flowpaper and upload your PDF. Now let's make sure analytic tracking is enabled. Go to Settings in the left panel. Here enable Collect Analytics and Collect Heatmap Data, and click Apply Settings. You can also make your PDF interactive by adding links, videos, images, buttons, and other elements. We already have tutorials covering these features, so definitely check out our YouTube channel. They can really help you create more engaging and interactive PDFs. Once everything is ready, let's publish our document. In the top right corner, click Publish, then choose Cloud Hosting and click Start Upload. Now your flipbook is live, and this is the link you can share with your readers. And once people start opening and interacting with it, Flowpaper will automatically begin collecting analytics data. So where can you find all this information? Open the account area from the top left corner, then go to Cloud Publications, and here you'll see buttons for stats and heat maps next to your document. Inside stats, you can view unique sessions, total views, average reading time, and external link clicks. You can also check page-level analytics to see which pages perform best and where readers spend the most time. Heat maps give you a visual way to understand reader behavior, and instead of only looking at numbers, you can actually see which areas of a page attract the most attention. The warmer the color, especially red areas, the more interaction that section reviewed. And honestly, this kind of data can be used in any field, whether you work in education, real estate, marketing, publishing, or product sales. Understanding reader behavior helps you improve your content and make better decisions. Because once you know what people actually engage with, you can optimize your PDFs around what works best. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.